Our product makes a difference in the lives of people in that the product line has really evolved from something that truly used to just be a luxury item. If you had an elevator in your house, it was a luxury status symbol. It's really evolved now to aging in place, people wanting to stay in their forever home. You tear your ACL, you have hip surgery, mom moves down from Boston. The accessibility it provides for your home allows you to stay in that home for the rest of your life. Southeast Elevator is a leading home elevator company in the southeastern United States. We service Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, Alabama, and Texas. Our customer really covers the gamut, from homeowners that are looking to add an elevator to the existing home to a home builder that's doing new construction. So we work with that on the installation side, and on the service side, we deal with not only our own elevators, but customers of other elevators because our team is able to service those. One of the true differentiators of Southeast Elevator is because of our ability to take the entire elevator from start to finish and our custom manufacturing of each elevator is we truly customize the job for the job site. The cab in particular, that is something that is custom made for every job based on the dimensions of the elevator shaft, based on the design needs of the customer. Our team does a great job from taking something that could just be 3 wood walls to something that could be glass walls with glass doors that is the marquee showpiece of a house. Something that's really unique about Southeast Elevator is our service division. It is something that in the home elevator industry is really an afterthought a lot of times. And what we've done is really focused it as a core competency of us, because the lifespan of that elevator could go 20 to 30 years. And we want to make sure that we're not just handling the installation side, we have the ability to service that and take care of that homeowner for the life of that elevator. What separates Southeast from everyone else is our people. And what excites me is to see the continued development of our team and really providing a career for our employees and our team members to be with us long into the future.
Future is endless here at Southeast Elevator. Joined the team in 2015, right after high school, where I started to wire controllers and build the scissor gates for the elevators. Right now, I'm at the height of my career, I would say, as becoming operations manager and really leading my team here in the Fort Pierce division. Everyone here just loves to come to work. We all know each other. We all have been a part of each other's lives for years. And there's not one day that I don't love coming into work.
We refer to it as the dream team of the elevator industry. Our knowledge that we have on this team and our focus on making sure it's a great customer experience. And that's something that truly is unique for what we have built here. When people think about Southeast Elevator, what I want them to know is they're going to get a great product with great quality and great service from great people.